It's that time again, the start of a new year. This is your year. You're gonna finally make a change and stick to that resolution, right? Well, I want you to forget about resolutions. We already know we won't get past the first month with our resolutions. It's time to start being realistic and make an actual change instead of resolving to making a change that never happens. My name is Tafiq Akhir. I'm a 40+ health and fitness specialist and the owner of Tafiq's Physiques, where we can help you turn back the clock on your metabolism in order to look and feel your best. First, you must find your reason why. Why do you want to be healthier, skinnier, more toned, or more defined? Your reason why has to be important enough to you that you finally make a change. Your reason why is the most motivating part of the beginning of this journey. You'll have to remind yourself during the tough times, when you don't want to wake up, or when you want to overindulge, or when you want to put it on the back burner. Always come back to why you're doing it. Second, you need a plan in place. Think small though. Don't try to completely change everything overnight. Making a drastic change like this is one of the biggest reasons that you'll fail. Instead, start introducing small changes. Waking up earlier to take a 30-minute walk, preparing your meals ahead of time, grocery shopping, limiting your sugar, or drinking more water. Small steps help create lasting change. Plus, going full steam can increase your risk of injury, and if you get injured, chances are you'll lose motivation to continue on your healthier path. Third, find a support system. If you have a friend or family member that's been talking about making a lasting change, encourage them to do it with you. Post about it online. Social media is a great platform to let everyone in your circle, and sometimes beyond that circle, know that you're committed to making a lasting change. Your gym probably has an accountability Facebook group. Join the group because relating to people and being able to talk about your success or failures is a great way to get insight and reminders that you're not alone and that everyone is not perfect. A lifelong change takes a lifetime, so don't go for the quick fix. Fourth, find something that you enjoy. This doesn't just apply to your workout routine either. See, if the thought of chia pudding makes you gag, then don't force yourself to eat it. Explore different foods and different exercises to find what works for you. It may take a while to find out what it is, but when you do, you'll be happier in the long run. You won't dread working out because you'll actually enjoy lifting or cycling or high-intensity interval workouts. And when you enjoy what you eat, you'll look forward to making those meals, and it's easier to keep making those healthier choices. Fifth, set realistic goals. If your goal is to lose weight, don't set a goal of losing 50 pounds in a month. You'll be disappointed that you don't hit the goal, and your motivation will waver. Instead, set a goal of losing 10 pounds a month for 5 months. That's a more realistic goal, and when you hit it, the excitement of hitting that goal will propel you to keep pushing forward. Finally, celebrate your successes. Any success is a reason to celebrate, and if you're finally able to run a mile without stopping, brag about it. Put it on social media. Your supporters will cheer you on, and the positive feedback will keep you in the game. When you hit the big goals, treat yourself. Buy a new pair of training shoes, invest in a good pair of headphones, get a massage, buy a new outfit, whatever it is that makes you happy. Set those goals, and when you hit them, make it a point to celebrate them. Your continued success will only make it that much easier to hit the next goal. Making a lifestyle change is hard, but with the right mindset, plan, and support system, you'll set yourself up for success. And at Tafiq's Physiques, that's what we do for our clients every day. We help coach you in order to maintain a healthy mindset, to have a personalized plan, and a supportive community and coaches that can help you make this year your year to create a new you. To learn more about how to get started with us at Tafiq's Physiques, click the link in the description section of this video.